Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nicole with Healing Hands and welcome. So the numbers don't lie. What are the numbers? So over the weekend, I dove deep into the new and updated CDC numbers on COVID-19. And what I found was so fascinating, I thought that I would share it with you. Because I think for humanity and the way that we view and look at our health, I think there's a great message to be learned here. So what we now know from the data that's been collected directly from the CDC is that only 6% of all of the counted COVID deaths were people who died from just COVID. And the other 94%, it was really what was called a comorbidity. Those people didn't die directly just from COVID. It was a comorbidity that they had at least 2.6 additional major health crisis going on. And that should be an aha moment for us, because anytime that we go through crisis or anytime that we have a perceived failure, one of the best things that we can do for ourselves is ask, what did I learn? And I think from this data and from now everything, all the data and analysis that's been collected from the CDC, for sure, I think one of the things, the major takeaway from this is that the days of relying on drugs and medications to run our body are over. The days of fast food eating, the days of a quick fix to get out of pain, or days of a quick fix to deal with or just manage the symptomatology of major health concerns and health problems are over. It is now time to take what we learned what we learned through the past 6 months and apply it to our day-to-day lifestyle in the way that we live our life and manage and take care of our health for ourselves and for our families. So chiropractic care is an awesome outlet. You guys probably don't know this, but chiropractic was never founded. It was never founded as a treatment for neck pain or back pain. And it is a great tool. It is a great way. It is a great lifestyle in order to help to take your health from wherever it is and increase it to its greatest potential. Now, I'm sure that a lot of you, especially if you're new to chiropractic or that's a newer concept for you, you probably have a lot of questions. So we're not going to go into how that happens here on this short video, but just know this. We have been serving patients through this entire healthcare crisis. And we have a very large practice, so we take care of a very large portion of our community and our population. And I want you guys to know that through this entire Corona and COVID-19, starting back in March, our practice has not had not one confirmed case of patients that had COVID-19. We have not had one. Now, I'm a pre-med major, and most of you know I was pre-med prior to getting my doctorate in chiropractic. And so a lot of my friends, even local friends, are medical doctors. And they were telling me that at any given time, they had between 20 and 30 confirmed COVID-19 cases as they went through the whole course of this. So we have not had one. What do we do different? That is the question we have to answer. What do our patients do different than everybody else that saved them from getting positive cases? Now, we know they were exposed because many of them have positive antibodies, but they never had positive confirmed cases. So if you guys have questions, hopefully that sparks some questions in you guys on how we can do this better, especially for next time. I know a lot of people are expecting a whole nother wave of, number one, the flu coming through, and a whole nother wave maybe of COVID. So if you guys have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call me. We are here. Our whole team is here to answer your questions. All right, many blessings. Take care.